This is number 3 from the Integrated Algebra Regents from January of 2010. The question says, Julia went to the movies and bought 1 jumbo popcorn and 2 chocolate chip cookies for $5. Marvin went to the same movie and bought 1 jumbo popcorn and 4 chocolate chip cookies for $6. How much does 1 chocolate chip cookie cost? We're going to solve this by using a system of equations. The 2 variables that I'm going to use are P and C. The P will stand for the price of a popcorn, and the C will stand for the price of a cookie. We're going to use those variables in a system of equations. So let's go to the problem to find the 2 equations that we can create using the information from the problem. Well, it says that Julia went to the movies and bought 1 jumbo popcorn. So 1 times the price of a popcorn, and she bought 2 chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to add the amount of money that she spent on popcorn plus the amount of money that she spent on cookies. That's 2 times the price of a cookie. Altogether, she spent $5. So I'm going to write that as 500. I'm writing it as 500, which means that I'm putting the price in terms of the number of pennies that she bought. That allows me to avoid having to deal with any decimals. Now we need to create another equation because this is a system of equations. So we'll go back to the problem to look for information to help us create that new equation. It says that Marvin went to the same movie and bought 1 jumbo popcorn and 4 chocolate chip cookies. So he bought 1 jumbo popcorn and 4 cookies. The amount that he paid, according to the problem, was $6, which is the same thing as saying that he paid 600 pennies. I'm going to solve this system of equations using the method of elimination. That's something that we've learned in class. So let's see here. To solve a system of equations using the method of elimination, we need to make sure that the coefficients are the same on one of them. In class, we said that we would take the coefficient from the one that we want to get rid of and multiply the entire top by that number, and multiply the entire bottom equation by the coefficient of the other. In this case, however, the coefficients are already the same. So if I want to get rid of the p's, I would multiply the entire top equation by 1 and the entire bottom equation by 1. When you multiply something by 1, nothing changes, so we're okay to just subtract now. 1p minus 1p is gone. 2c minus 4c is negative 2c. 500 minus 600 is negative 100. I can now solve for c. I'll solve for c by dividing both sides by negative 2. This gives me that c is equal to negative 100 divided by negative 2 is 50. So the cost of a cookie is 50 pennies, which is 50 cents. Let's look to see if that's one of the choices. Yes, it is, right here. It tells us that the cost of a cookie is 50 cents, and so the answer to number 3 is 1.